Hello everyone and welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Trezor in your mobile phone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Trezor in App Store or Play Store. Now scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to see an app where it is distinguishable by its logo shown in the screen, and it's developed by Trezor company S.R.O. And don't forget, you'll find the download option at right side. Just click on it and your download will begin automatically. So finally, once your download gets complete, click to open and you'll be able to access it. So basically this is how you can download Trezor in your smartphone, and if you still encounter any issue during the download process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.